Mousetrap. How to set up the contraption. Lay out the board and insert base number 1 into the slots, then slide it forward and lock it down. Insert the stop sign and lamppost into base number 1. Attach the rubber band to the stop sign and base number 1. Attach the boot to the lamppost. Insert the shorter stair legs A into the board, then push them back to lock them into place. Attach the taller stair legs B to the back of the stairs, then insert those legs into base number 1 and the bottom of the stairs into the short legs. Attach the bucket to the top of the stairs, then put the marble in it. Attach base number 2 to base number 1. Attach the red rain gutter to the bottom of the stairs, then to base number 1 and number 2. Attach the wrench to the ladder, then insert the ladder into base number 2, making sure your orientation is correct. Attach the bucket to the end of the broom, then attach the broom to the ladder. Rotate the broom so that the bucket is near the end of the rain gutter, then latch the wrench to the broom to hold it in place. Put base number 3 underneath base number 2. Then insert base number 3 into the board, then attach base number 3 to base number 2. Insert the plumbing into base number 3, then attach the bathtub to the top of the plumbing. Attach the short ramp to the bathtub and the plumbing. Attach the diving board to base number 3, then place the diver on it. Attach base number 4 to the board, then place the wash tub on it. Insert the cage pole into base number 4, then balance the cage on top of the pole. For the rest of the gameplay rules, check out this video.